Hello all of you. Step into channel once again. Part 5 MSET. Those who did not gone through part 4, please go through the video. The link is provided in the description. Now here MSET part 5 calculus part, very important MCQ. Please follow very carefully. Don't skip the video. Watch completely to get the best idea. It is important for all the streams of the examinations, IIT mains, MSET, etc. So if x is equal to given 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square and y is equal to 2t by 1 plus t square, then we have to determine the value of this one, dy by dx plus x by y is what? So ABCD options are given. So I think so you felt some confusion by seeing this question. So previously 4 videos are MSET, part 1, part 2 are nothing but our quadratic equation, 3 and 4 are calculus, but it is very important the part 5. Please switch on here. Now solution follows. So before that, once again I am analyzing the question. If you observe carefully, x and y are the two functions in the variable t. So we have determined dy by dx plus x by y. So here we have to employ the parametric differentiation because here the variables, the functions are involved, here the variable is t. So now dx, x is given, so dx by dt. Since it is a competitive examination, I am going through the direct steps. Please follow carefully. So if you observe carefully, u by v. Okay. So quotient formula here we had operate differentiation. So dx by dt nothing but 1 plus t square into derivative of 1 minus t square is nothing but derivative of 1 is 0 minus this is x power n. So minus 2t. So minus 2t minus 1 here again 1 minus t square into here the differentiation of this one is plus 2t by 1 plus t square the whole square v into derivative of u minus u into derivative of v by v square. So d by dx of u by v have been employed here. Please check it. So now here minus 2t multiply here minus 2t cube minus 2t plus 2t cube by the denominator is same. So 1 plus t square the whole square. So I can write now here minus 2t cube and plus t2 cube is 0. The leftover part is minus 4t by 1 plus t square the whole square. So this is nothing but our dx by dt. So label as equation number 1. Now we have to go for dy by dt, next part. I think so you got here, I have been applied here u by v method of differentiation quotient rule. The same again here u by v I am going to employ here. So again also dy by dt. So here I can write 1 plus t square into derivative of 2t is 2 here. 2 into derivative of t with respect to t is nothing but 1 minus 2t into derivative of v here 1 plus t square 0 plus 2t nothing but 2t by the denominator is same here again 1 plus t square the whole square. So again multiply term by term. So 2 plus 2t square here minus 4t by 1 plus t square the whole square. So here it is minus 4t square. 2 to the 4 t into t is t square. The like terms are 2t square and 4t square. So I can write here 2 minus 2t square by here it is 1 plus t square the whole square. Taking 2 as common and writing directly here. Now my part dy by dt is nothing but 2 of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square the whole square. So label as equation number 2. Okay. Now let us mark again equation 1 and equation 2 here. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. So now to get the expression dy by dx. X by y we have here, that will imply later, that will check it later. So we have to go through our dy by dx. So let us see here now. So we have, since it is a parametric differentiation, we have dy by dx can be written as here dy by dt by dx by dt. So according to the definition of parametric differentiation. So now here it is dy by dt by dx by dt. So dy by dt is nothing but, here I got this, so place it in a bracket so that we can analyze easily. So dy by dt is nothing but here 2 of 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square the whole square by here minus 4t by 1 plus t square the whole square. Okay, so denominators get cancelled here, and 2 once and 2 twice here, once and minus 2 times. So that I will write now dy by dx is equal to 1 plus t square by minus 2t. But our intention is to get here dy by dx plus x by y. But here dy by dx I got this one. Okay. So now what I am going to do, the steps, next steps are most important. Please viewers, look over here how I am proceeding now. So to get this one, this part here, I am dividing the given expression with, if you observe carefully, 1 plus t square lies in the denominators. So this implies now I can write here dy by dx is nothing but here it is 1 minus t square. So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square by, here it is again leftover part is minus 2t by 1 plus t square. So for your sake I am marking like this, have been divided with 1 plus t square here. Okay, and this is total divided by. So this is our, this part dy by dt, and this is dx by dt. But here if you observe carefully, this is our 1 minus t square by 1 plus, here 1 minus t square by minus 2t, and here it is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square, and this one is minus 2t by 1 plus t square. But here I have here this part 2t by this one. So now I am going to do in a simplified form. Look over here. So this implies, so this I am going to write here. So 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square is x. This part is x. But here you have here reciprocal. So I am writing here, since I have minus and it is reciprocal, so I am writing minus 1 by y. Because our plus y is nothing but 2t by 1 plus t square. And here it is denominator. So if you observe carefully, a by b by c by d is nothing but a by b into d by c. So applying here this part. So now this implies, what is the LHS part left over here now? Nothing but dy by dx transposing this side, or minus x by y, this one rewriting it here. So this implies now dy by dx plus x by y shifting to this side, which is equal to our 0, because our intention is to get dy by dx plus x by y shifting to this side. Okay, so now here please look over here, the main important part is here I have done, and finally I got this one as 0. So which seems to our option is nothing but our B option. So please viewers, go through the problem carefully and analyze it, and this is an important part of our step of our problem, and this is by parametric, the definition of parametric differentiation. Okay, don't be panic, and try to complete this type of problems in 1 minute for the competitive examinations. So once you have the total look of this problem, and this is the formula have been applied for your understanding this part. I hope so you like this video a lot. Okay, stay tuned near and dear, and see you in the next video session. Okay, thank you.